Hey, how you doing? This is Chris Tolton. Can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear.
Okay, I'm a grad student at the Colorado School of Mines in Space Resources, and I'm joined today with Ken Liang and Shu Wang, who you already just heard from, and also Professor Mihai Haranyi from UC Boulder. Purpose of today's presentation is to propose a lunar beneficiation testbed that the Artemis astronauts can operate, which would allow us to develop a better technical path to industrial level mining as per NASA's lunar infrastructure goal number 7, and that's to develop industrial scale ISRU capabilities. So what is beneficiation? Beneficiation is basically improving your feedstock, so mining becomes much more productive and more efficient from an energy perspective. So if you look at the picture up there, beneficiation is a process whereby you extract what you want and get a concentrate and get rid of what you don't want, or the tailings. And mining is going to be really challenging on the moon. I think people already know that. Certainly for a number of environmental reasons. From a mining perspective, mostly due to no fluids, and low gravity. You can find at least 3 methods of beneficiation in the literature. Much of it is electrostatic, magnetic, or enhanced gravity. Think centrifuges. Initially, we expect dry methods of size separation of lunar regolith only, and not much in the way of comminution, since much of lunar regolith is below 1 millimeter in size. Next slide. And the purpose of our testbed will be to develop our beneficiation technologies in a real lunar surface environment. Won't go over all the science questions individually that we have, but we're really concerned about regolith flowability, charge characterization, how effective size separation will be with different beneficiation methods, and how to operate mining equipment in a really, really dusty environment. And I think James Head was mentioning that earlier. Astronauts, we would like to see operate 7 payloads, conduct size separations of lunar regolith
1 minute.
using different beneficiation methods, utilize a particle size analyzer and dust mitigation devices developed especially for this environment. And this is going to get us the data that we need and help us optimize our mining methods. And this important work will enable future lunar miners, hopefully like me, to iterate rapidly and build the capability to mine the moon at an industrial level, hopefully by the end of the decade. And thank you very much.